What's happening, guys? So in this video I'm gonna do an update with my miner the one that's mining SC Prime. So that one I got it, I believe was maybe a month now. But yeah, it's been pretty good. Actually, it is a noisy one, so if you guys are thinking to to invest and buy the high miner for mining SC Prime, you might want to consider a place where you guys don't stay for a long time and you guys don't sleep at this room. So yeah, because I don't know, I think it's not like extremely loud, like the ASIC miners, but still it is pretty loud. I mean, you can handle it for like 5-10 minutes, but an hour, 2 hours, I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. It's a noisy one. It's not that noisy, but it's still noisy. I don't know, it's weird. Like if you guys watch my video with my high miner, the setup, you guys can hear the noise in the background. And I don't know, I didn't press it before that, I don't know. You guys need to decide on your own, but for me, I think it's a little bit too noisy. And then the other thing, I mean, honestly, right now, even if you guys wanna buy them, you cannot really buy them. I mean, you can buy them, you can spend your money for sure, but those are in the back order. So that, I believe, it will take 2-3 months, from now, just to be able to, to get your miner. So yeah, I don't know, I think it's a good project. Honestly, for right now, I don't have any trouble in anything. It's pretty good, pretty consistent. I mean, I'll show you what consistent means, but yeah, other than that, it's been awesome. Can't wait to for that project to go big and big and big. The price of SC Prime is actually going down. I mean, everything goes down right now, with the crypto and the stock market, with everything. So yeah, we'll see how it's going to be in the future, but for right now, everything is down. Other than that, yeah, when I bought it in December. Yeah, I think I bought it in December, and a couple months later, I just got it. And then I started mining. So I bought that miner for $1,500, and I don't remember, but I believe it was like 30 to 40% rebates. So I will show you, the rebates and everything on the app. I mean, on the platform. But the idea is they will give you the rebates in tokens, of SC Prime tokens. So that's good. At least I think it's good, but it might be bad for someone else, because it's easier to get money instead of the coins. But at the same time, if you're investing into the company or into the project, then you prefer to get coins, because right now the coins are cheap. Later on, the coins might come up a lot more. Right now, I believe the coins are like 50 cents, 60, something like that. When I purchased the miner, the coin was like $1. So yeah, it's a pretty big difference. So like I said, we'll see what's gonna happen. But let me show you the platform and explain you what's happening or what really happened since I started mining it. Okay guys, so right now you guys can see I did my blanking. I think this is gonna be easier for editing, and I'm not gonna have any hiccups. doing it that way. So right here you guys can see, I've got my rebates, the one that I was telling you about. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure they got like 30 or 40%. So yeah, we will see when, I think by the end of the year, the other 2 rebates will show up if I qualify for them. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. We'll see. So you guys can see right here, I got my 93 SCP, that's valued 56 bucks, looks like it. Then I have my second rebate for 186, that's valued of $112. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm almost there. Yep. Contracts, it's right up here. You guys can see contracts. I have 2 active. I have locked 0.28, successful 0. I don't know when that's gonna change. I kinda don't understand the risk of 0.41. I guess I'm risking 0.41 if I basically just unplug my miner right now. Maybe. I guess we'll see. The idea is not to do that, but yeah. Right here on the income, you guys can see expected 0.43. That's not 43 coins, that's 0.43. That's almost a half a coin. And then that's 22 cents. Last month 0, you guys can see 0 0. So yeah, right here you got status ready, port forwarding. If you guys remember, those are blue, so that's good. Blockchain synchronized version, supervisor, and yeah. And then right here on the bottom, it gives you all the transactions and how much you got or how much you got deducted from your account. So you guys can see I got 1, then I have negative, then I have my rebates, 93 and 196. Then I got new file contract, I got negative on it. Host announcements, I got negative on it. Transfer, at this one I got actually 40.41. And then renew file contract, it's negative 0.28. And it looks like this one is still not confirmed, so it looks like I might have to wait a little bit of time so I can get this one confirmed. Renew file contract, so maybe my activity is gonna become 3 then. I don't know, I'm gonna have to wait and see. Right here you guys can see total amount of my balance is 280 SCP. That's equal to $146. So not a lot of money, but I think it's still pretty good. Now we're gonna go to status. Right here you guys can see I'm online. Uptime for the past 30 days, 98%. Incentive rate, it's full. So right here can be half or can be low, I believe. I don't remember really, but this can change. It's because of your uptime. So if your uptime is good, then you can get good incentives. You can get full incentive rate. Then on the bottom, miner status. Then right here you guys can see the history. All the red ones are for how much, if the miner was not online. That's what the red one means. The blue one means that for how much period of time the miner was online. Okay, then on the bottom it gives a storage usage, and if you guys go with the mouse, you guys can see it's gonna tell how much storage usage is being used. I started with the 0, you guys can see, then it went up and up and up. Yep, so let's keep going up. So this is good. It doesn't show me the network usage. I don't know, they're a pretty new company, so I'm getting bugs here and there, so something like that. Then you guys can see right up here, current month incentive, it's 1 coin 0.10. So yeah,
usage page. Yes, you can see 95 SC Prime per terabyte per month. And then the bottom, it's, you know, it's not used for right now. We'll see in the future. They're saying it will matter, you know, your location, performance, and auditability. I don't even know what's the word means. This guy right there. But yeah. Then we're moving right here. Storage price again, you know, 7.56. Collateral price 7.56. Download bandwidth, it's 1.89. Upload bandwidth 0. Max contract duration 9 weeks. So yeah, it's pretty good. We'll see. You guys can see the total capacity mine is a 16 terabyte, but you know, you have to use, you know, some of the capacity to run the program and everything. So yeah, so it shows 15.3. Then my contracts are using 45 gigabytes, 45.7 if you guys want to be exact. And then last scanned like 15 minutes ago. I think it is pretty good. Okay guys, well, you guys saw it. You know how the project is running. It is running. We're not really making a lot of money right now. I mean, I believe we're making like $1 or something. But we'll see how everything is gonna go in the future. I'm hoping that, you know, this project is gonna start. I've heard that they're gonna be in Las Vegas for that conference, you know, where they have all the techs and stuff, the new inventions and stuff like that in Vegas. So they're gonna be there. I've heard it. I don't know if that's true or not. So they can start, you know, signing, you know, with new companies and contracts and all that stuff, so people can start using their platform. So hopefully, you know, in June or July, this project, you know, will launch, and then from that point we're gonna go to the moon. We'll see. That's what my hopes are, so time will tell. But yeah, I think I covered everything. If I missed something, put it down in the comments. If you guys want to know more for, you know, how is my experience going with my mining, with this miner or my other 2 miners, let me know and I'll do an update. I'll do a new video. So but yeah, I think that's about it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm, you know, to show the video to more viewers. And if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.